Jim, thanks the €2 on YouTube. Can we get the sound effects back on, please? You'll get them on when I want them on. See if they're not on. That's because I must not want them on. Must be because I don't want them on. And if they're on, that means I want them on. Here, Jim on YouTube. It was one of your lot that wanted them off. Alright, deal with your own. Am I right, Twitch? Am I right? Deal with your internal battles there. Right? Twitch, me and Twitch don't want to hear it. Is that right, troops? We don't want to hear it. YouTube, I'll address this on a members only video on the weekend, don't worry.